Hi, welcome to TeluguOne Food. I'm your host Chef Savio and today we are going to make chicken fingers with mustard mayo. So chicken fingers is a deep fried snack item. Let's get started. We have 1 egg for coating. Then we have some mayonnaise. This is store-bought veg mayonnaise. We have some mustard here, Dijon mustard. Then we have some salt. We have pepper. We have chicken breast boneless over here. Then we have some breadcrumbs and some oil for frying. So we'll start by cutting the chicken breast. So the best and easy way is you cut the breast into half. So take a center. If you feel your breast is too small, you can decide if you want to take it till here. You can decide the size of the chicken finger. So since we have a bigger breast, I will just cut it from the center here. So now we have 2 pieces here. You can start cutting it into long strips. So you will have something like this. If you feel you are not too comfortable by the exact measurement, you can use this as a measurement. So you just keep it here and then accordingly you cut how many ever strips you want for the finger. Then we do the same. You can just trim off if little extra and use it for your soups, pasta. So this is how you need to cut the chicken fingers. Now we'll start marinating the chicken finger. We'll add some salt, some pepper, and just 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Now we'll mix this. Now this is nicely marinated. Now we'll add a little bit of beaten eggs into it. Around half egg would be enough. What the egg does is it gives a binding to the chicken so that it can be easily crumbed. Now we'll allow it to rest for around 15 to 20 minutes. Then we can start crumbing our chicken fingers. So our chicken, it's been 15 minutes and our chicken has been nicely marinated. If you feel like you want some flavor of herbs, you can add some fresh thyme or fresh rosemary to it. Now let's start crumbing the chicken. Using your tongue, you can just put in the chicken pieces on top of the crumb. Now just sprinkle the crumb on the other side so it is easy for you to handle the chicken while crumbing it. Now our chicken is nicely crumbed. Now just take it in your palm and roll it. Nicely take the crumbs so that it sticks onto the chicken. So one more tip for you, if you do not have fresh breadcrumbs at home, you can always buy it from the supermarket, the panko crumbs or any other dried crumbs. So whenever we are making any items which has been crumbed in our breadcrumbs, it is very important that we use white bread. The reason for using white bread is that it takes time for the bread to get a caramelized color. But if we say that you want to use a brown bread or a multigrain bread, the outside color you will get it very fast, but the inside your meat would not be cooked in time. So it's very important that we use the white bread only, crumbing any chicken, fish or any other item. So chicken fingers are crumbed and ready. Now let's fry them. So we'll heat our oil for frying. So meanwhile our oil gets hot, we'll prepare our mustard mayonnaise. So we'll start making a mustard mayonnaise. Add just a pinch of salt to the mayonnaise, some crushed pepper, and we have around 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. So Dijon mustard is basically a French mustard you will have it like a very smooth paste. Now just mix all the ingredients together. Our mustard mayonnaise is ready now. It is very important that we add a very little Dijon mustard to our mayonnaise because it has a very sharp and pungent taste. If you add too much of the mustard, the dressing or your sauce will not come out that good. So now our oil is nice and hot. Just to check the temperature of your oil, if it is not too overheated, best way is just put a little bit of crumb. Soon as you put it, the crumb will start coming on top, which means your oil is hot and ready. Now our chicken fingers are nice and golden brown. Our crumb fried chicken finger with mustard mayonnaise is ready.